Hey you guys, welcome back to day 7 of my Halloween series. This is the look we're doing today. It's so cute, so let's go ahead and get into it. For my base, I'm using Cover Pink from my brand, beautifulday.com. And once I have that done, shaped and nice and popping, I'm going to go in with that Coupe Matte top coat to give me something smooth to work on. The first step of this look is to do your French tip. I'm going to do the A method as I always do. If you need a really good in-depth tutorial, I do have one pinned on my page. You won't miss it because it got 1 million views or whatever. After that's done, I'm going to go in with some white gel polish to add some detailing to the smile line of my French tip. And then we're going to go ahead and get into this spider web. To do your spider web, it's kind of like you want to do those cross stars. So we're going to draw a line straight through on the middle. And then we're going to make it a T on the top. And then we're just going to draw some adjacent lines in between. Look at me using words from geometry class. Once you have all your lines done, you're going to draw these little humps. My hump, my hump, my hump, my hump, my hump. And you just want them to match, well, connect in between each line. And you're going to do that in each section. It's nothing extraordinary. It's just my hump, my hump, my hump, my hump. Now we're going to get into these spiders. Go ahead and get you a dotting tool or use the bottom of your brush. Whatever you got, girl, make it work, okay? And we're just going to draw 2 dots, one for the head and the other one for the thorax. I hope that's the right word because I'm not going to look it up. And if it's wrong, don't correct me. Mind your business. Then I'm going to go in and make these legs. So you want 2 legs on each piece of the body on each side. So each little circle going to have 4 legs on it, okay? Because 4 times 2 is 8 and spiders got 8 legs. And don't have too much product on your brush because then you're going to get irritated like I did. I don't show y'all all my mistakes, but these legs really had me messed up in the beginning. So the less product on your brush, the better. Now I'm going in with my Mia Secret resin, and I use this for all stones except big charms because big charms need acrylic. But for the stones, this keeps it on real good. Then I'm going to go in with that Coupe gel top coat to give me the shine. And notice how I made the legs red. It wasn't working with the contrast of the already black and white. And I wanted my spiders popping, and now she popping and she real cute. Talk about itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout, and now she on my nails and she shine real cute. Y'all need to do this one. This one cute. She fire. Remember, your clients don't know what they can get until you show them, okay?